guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys doing good. Today in my video I'm gonna show you how to make a red chili chicken or a chicken curry. Guys, take any pressure cooker and add nearly 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Then items required, I taken 2 chopped onions and 2 chopped tomatoes and I smash it with ginger garlic. Later on I have coriander leaves which is chopped and 2 or 3 green chilies and some spices which you required. Once oil is boiled, add the spices guys. I'm adding nearly 2 to 3 cinnamon and cardamom and clove. Then you can add onions. Fry it well guys till it turns brown. Once it is off boiled, I'm going to add red chilies. Then chopped tomatoes. And mix the content well guys. Now add a required amount of salt. You can add how much you really want. By adding salt now itself, it helps the tomatoes and onions to boil fastly. Guys, once it is roasted properly, I'm been adding a washed chicken. I'm adding nearly half kg of chicken here. Now I'm gonna add smashed ginger and garlic. You can use ginger and garlic paste also. And mix the content well. Guys, now I'm gonna add nearly half spoon of turmeric powder. And I'm gonna mix it. Now I will add red chili. I'm gonna add nearly 2 spoons of red chili powder and you can add how much you really require according to your taste. Later on, I've been adding 2 spoons of dhania powder. Then I'm going to add 1 spoon of chicken masala powder. Later, I'm been adding kasuri methi, of which is dried one, a bit kasuri methi. Once you're done with this, I'm going to add a bit coriander leaves which is chopped one. Then as usual guys, mix the content well. Now I'm going to add a bit pepper powder. And you can add how much you want. If you want more spice, you can add more. Friends, now I am adding nearly half glass of water and you can add how much you want. If you want curry more, you can add more water. Or if you don't want curry, you can leave like that and you can make it visual. Once it is done, close the lid of the cooker and make the chicken to boil for 2 whistles. Now it's done with 2 whistles, guys. You can see now how it really looks. It looks so delicious. It looks so spicy. Now again mix the content well. And now it's the last step, garnish with some kind of coriander leaves. And now the chicken is ready for the taste with the sides like chapati or roti or dosa. It will be very suitable and even for the rice also. Hope you guys liked my dish. Thank you guys.